Good morning. Welcome to onlineias.com. As a part of our preparation with respect to APPSC Group 2 English Medium batch, we are going to start AP History from July 4th onwards. AP History is a part of our paper number 2 and that will carry 75 marks in the main examination. And those 75 marks will be very crucial to get into a good job in Andhra Pradesh. And as far as the faculty member is concerned, the same faculty member who taught you Indian history for English medium in a very effective manner and in a very easy manner, the same gentleman is also going to handle AP history for you. So you can be very assured that the subject will be understood to you very easily, and he will be going to put in all his efforts and all his experience will be utilized here, and the subject is going to become so easy for you, and you will be getting as many more marks as possible in that particular paper. And you have already watched the existing videos, but still I want to go ahead with this gentleman, and he is going to deliver in the best possible manner. So be assured, join the classes from July 4th onwards. You will be getting the new classes for AP history English medium. For Telugu medium it is already done, and this particular seminar is for the English medium batch, and I would like to inform that AP history is going to be started afresh by the same gentleman who taught you Indian history, which is part of paper number 1, right? And you can have a look at the demo, and the students who wish to join, you are most welcome, and start your preparation, right? So the notification may be coming, so may be announced after this downturn of this pandemic, but it is always better for us to start the preparation as early as possible. Fine. Now I would like to show you the information. You may quickly join as early as possible. You please take a pic of this. We are offering our courses for group 2 for both AP and Telangana, and as far as Andhra Pradesh is concerned, we are offering group 2 in both English medium and Telugu medium. Whatever the medium you like, you may please join. As far as group 2 Telangana is concerned, right now only Telugu medium is available, and as far as the price is concerned, actual amount is 19,000 rupees, but it has been reduced very drastically for giving helping hand to the students. So now it is just 5,900 including GST, and this will cover, kindly remember, this will cover both the preliminary examination and main examination. In the main examination you have 3 papers in APPSC, 1 2 3. All the papers are covered. Material will also be provided with the same price, right? And the students who want to join, you may please join by paying through Google Pay or Phone Pay or Paytm. The number is given over there. After payment is done, please send the given details to my WhatsApp number. You can see my WhatsApp number, same number, and please join as early as possible. And kindly remember, if you join at the earliest, you can start your preparation at the earliest. Now look at this. This is our site. In the menu bar, you can go to this APPSC 2020. Come down to APPSC Group 2. You can have a look at the seminar. You please watch the demos. If you want to have a look at the syllabus, you may please look at the syllabus. Then you go for the registration. Once the registration is done, then the access will be provided to you automatically. Fine. Look at this very carefully. English medium is separate, Telugu medium is separate. Whatever the course you want to opt for, you can opt. Here from this particular place, you can pay through credit card or debit card, or you can use your net banking facilities. Otherwise, you can just pay through the so-called Google Pay, Phone Pay, Paytm. any manner you can pay, but send me the details and start your preparation as early as possible. And this discounted price, this offer may end soon. So I suggest you all kindly make use of this opportunity, join at the earliest and start your preparation. And I wish you all a very, very, very good luck. Thank you so much.